So who are Bayer and what do we do? Well, Bayer's head office is in Leverkusen in Germany and our UK head office is in Newbury. Bayer have three main businesses: Bayer Healthcare, Bayer Crop Science and Biomaterials Science. Bayer Healthcare is involved in medicines, diagnostic products and over-the-counter treatments. Some of you may know one of our most popular products, aspirin, or more recently, Berocca, the vitamin supplement. Bayer Crop Science is involved in fungicides, insecticides and herbicides, and Biomaterials Science, the headline sponsor for the competition, is involved in materials for the automotive, construction and electrical and communication industries. So, to talk a little bit more about Biomaterials Science and the materials that we produce, I'd like to talk a little bit about our business units and our main product areas. Our products are split into three key business units: polyurethane, polycarbonate and coatings, adhesives and specialities. So, what is the polyurethanes business unit?
Hello, I'm Alan Tier and I'm just going to give you an overview of our polyurethane business unit. Well, polyurethane is a very flexible material. It's used for an enormous range of different applications. So just running through some of them. First of all, polyurethanes are used in the automotive industry, the construction industry, furniture and mattresses, footwear, sports and leisure, and in the electrical engineering industries. For example, in the construction industry, it's used primarily as an insulant for insulating buildings and as an insulant also for domestic and industrial refrigerators and freezers. In the automotive industry, it's used for a very wide range of different components. The seats you sit on in a car are usually, I think now, 100% flexible foam. The fascia of a car is often backed with a semi-rigid polyurethane foam. The steering wheel is made of an integral skin polyurethane, and again very many other applications in cars. Furniture and mattresses are very frequently made, or at least contain some, flexible polyurethane foam, and there's also the variety which is used in hospitals, which molds to the patient's body. In footwear, polyurethane is frequently used for shoe soles, both of sports shoes and conventional shoes. In the sports and leisure industry, polyurethane is used for skis and snowboards and various other similar applications. Electrical engineering, rigid polyurethanes and various other grades are used in a wide variety of applications, for example as insulation and as housings for electrical components.
Now I'll talk a little bit about the PCS business unit of Biomaterials Science. PCS encompasses polycarbonate and polycarbonate blends, the trade names for which are Macrolon, Bay Blend and Macroblend. So, what is polycarbonate and what are its key properties? Polycarbonate is what we call an amorphous polymer. Its main features are that it is very tough. It can be reduced from transparent through to translucent through to opaque. It has excellent moldability and is used across a wide variety of industries: the automotive industry, construction, electrical, sports and leisure, medical and packaging. The automotive industry uses polycarbonate in a variety of applications. The main one being automotive headlamps. The majority of cars on the market today have a polycarbonate headlamp. Also, polycarbonate blends are used in grills, spoilers and other features within the exterior of the vehicle. More recently, polycarbonate is used for polycarbonate glazing. As you can see, Bayer along with other partners have developed polycarbonate for use in rear glazing, automotive sunroofs and panoramic roofs. Within the construction industry, polycarbonate is used in transparent roofing for stadiums and also roofing within our conservatories. Within the sports and leisure industry, polycarbonate is used for ski goggles and, more importantly, helmets due to its very high strength. The medical technology uses for polycarbonate are a wide variety of medical housings and dialysis machines. The packaging industry includes unbreakable water bottles that we would see in our offices. The next business unit for biomaterials science is the CAS business unit, coatings, adhesives and specialities. These materials are primarily raw materials for uses in traffic and transport, mechanical engineering, furniture, plastics, construction, packaging and shoes. The wood and furniture coatings would include a variety of coatings for varnishes and epoxy coatings for floors. The automotive coatings include raw materials for paint and more recently self-healing paints, so they're very scratch resistant. Corrosion protection is used in the construction industry on bridges, and the packaging industry has a variety of adhesive applications. The next business area is TPU, thermoplastic polyurethane. So, what is thermoplastic polyurethane? Again, it's a thermoplastic material, and its inherent properties are that it can be used to be very, very rigid or very, very soft. It has an excellent chemical resistance, excellent abrasion resistance, and has great mouldability. It finds further application in the automotive industry, electrical, mechanical, sports and leisure, and packaging. Notably, we will find polyurethane in most of our sportswear equipment. Football boots, including the studs and the outer layer, and then more popular is ski equipment. Parts of the ski boot for both the hard shell and the soft inner within the boot. It's also coated onto textiles to create a breathable fabric for sports clothing. The material can be transparent to make housing materials, and it can also be coated onto the surface of snowboards and skis.